wanted. But looking back, I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
He has to know my name. about him.
Leave a shadow on the wall. 'cause these illusions in my head won't go away. I'm climbing up a mountain, trying my best not to fall. But if I focus on my mindset, I know it's gonna be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles. 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 Standing by the lake where we always used to hide. But now I'm running from myself, got a feeling that my hands are tied. The water showing me the sky and a reflection of myself I don't recognize. I should be honest with myself, I no longer have you by my side. Focus on my mindset, maybe it will be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles. It's going round in circles. It's going round in circles. Circles. It's going round in circles. Focus on my mindset, maybe this will be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles. I said it's going round in circles, circles. It's going round in circles, circles. It's going round in circles. It's going round in circles.